Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Our today's video we have a big horse with other jungle lizard and animals. So let's rescue all these animals. Let's start the video. Our first animal is Camel. Camels do not have humps at birth, but with a tassel of curly hair on top, small peaks can be seen that indicate where the humps will develop. And the next animal is red lizard. Lizards can detach their tails. Some lizards can detach their tails if they are caught by a predator. This helps them to get away quickly. And the next animal is duck. All ducks have highly waterproof feathers. Ducks have very good vision and they can see in color. Some species of ducks migrate or travel long distances every year to breed. And our next animal is a spider. Spiders are 8-legged creatures known for making silk webs to catch insects. They live everywhere in the world except for Antarctica. And the next animal is cheetah. It usually chases its prey at only about half that speed. However, after a chase, a cheetah needs half an hour to catch its prey before it can eat. And our next animal is beetle. Adult beetles have two sets of wings. Female beetles usually lay dozens or hundreds of eggs. Most beetles only live forever. Beetles cannot see very well. And the next animal is goat. Goat kids also bleat when they are excited to see their caregivers at feeding time. And our next animal is scorpion. They are arachnids, which means they have 8 legs, 2 body segments, no antennae, and are related to spiders and ticks. They hatch from eggs in their mother. And our next animal is hippopotamus. Hippos are large semi-aquatic mammals with a large barrel-shaped body, short legs, a short tail, and an enormous head. They have grayish to muddy brown skin. And our next animal is ant. Some queen ants can live for many years and have millions of babies. Ants don't have ears. And our next animal is moose. Moose have a good sense of hearing and smell, but they do not see very well. They are good swimmers and eat water plants such as poundweed and water lilies. And our next animal is snake. Snakes don't have eyelids and cannot see the way other animals do. The vision for most snake species is blurry. And our next animal is giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest living animal. It can reach a height of more than 18 feet 5.5 meters. Giraffes live on the plains of eastern Africa. And our next animal is tiger. It stands 3 feet tall with teeth 4 inches long and claws as long as house keys. A female tiger gives birth to a litter of 3 or 4 cubs. And our next animal is spider. There are about 38,000 species or types of spider. They are related to scorpions, ticks, and mites. And our second last animal is grey lizard. Lizards belong to the group of animals called reptiles. Reptiles have scales on their body instead of hair or feathers. There are more than 3,000 species or types of lizard. And our last animal is horse. A typical domesticated horse stands 5 feet 1.5 meters tall at the shoulder. It weighs about 1,150 pounds 520 kilograms. A horse's legs are strong even though they look very slender.